Hey Rishabh, how are you?
Hi, so good to see you.
Long time, yeah?
Very long time, and I am so happy and thrilled to see you. Let me
Yeah,
formally welcome you to.
thank you.
Let me formally welcome our host, Dost, and the one who never ghosts. He's always there
वाह
when
वाह
we've asked him to come. जब भी हम लोग ने आपको परेशान किया है, you always remove time and you've come. So let me welcome our, like I said, our host, Dost and Ghost, who's never ghosted us ever.
Yeah, you should
uh,
start hosting Hindi shows now.
अरे बाबा मैं हिंदी में बात करने लगा ना तो देन ऑटोमेटिकली आई थिंक वी वोंट नीड स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी की जरूरत नहीं रहेगी.
Nini, you're quite good, yeah. You speak really well, so it's nice.
You are the first and I
Hi,
think the last
UV.
person.
I think Chahal, UV Chahal. UV Chahal is here. Yes, we can hear you. Please continue. The cricketer UV Chahal. I love
Yeah,
him.
yeah, of course.
He's my buddy. He's such a nice guy and amazing cricket player. So UV, lots of love to you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Does he throw spin bowling outside of the cricket field also? Is he difficult to deal with or is he very easy?
He is the most amazing and sweetest cricketer I have ever met, and he calls me Bhaiya actually, and
अरे
very sweet, and obviously
but
very talented.
but
But
Arjun
as a
भैया
human being, as a human being, he's very nice.
अर्जुन भैया मैं भी आपको भैया बुला सकता हूँ.
नहीं बुला सकते और मुझे माधुरी मैम के साथ भी वो भैया भैया वाला जोक बहुत होता है. आई हेट दिस वर्ड भैया नाउ सडनली.
So we'll only keep this for you for UV. That's it.
Yeah, only for you.
But I'm glad to welcome you to what we call कुछ तो करो ना. तो हम लोग
कुछ
ये
तो करो ना.
कुछ
चलो
तो
ठीक है,
करो ना.
करेंगे करेंगे. अभी सब
But
लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, पर पहला जो सबसे कठिन सवाल है that I want to ask you
हाँ हाँ.
between choosing between two things that you really like.
हम्म.
One is vada pav and second is butter chicken. कोई आपको बोलता है कि सिर्फ एक ही डिश मिलेगी आज खाने के लिए, घर पे आपको सिर्फ एक ही डिश मिलेगी, तो कौन सी डिश रहेगी?
वड़ा पाव खाऊंगा यार.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? आपने वेजिटेरियन का दिल खुश कर लिया.
हाँ नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है. वैसे ही अभी नॉनवेज छोड़ा हुआ है और नवरात्रि भी थी और वैसे ही अवॉइड ही कर रहा हूँ जनरली.
ये कोरोना की वजह से है या फिर?
नहीं मैंने काफी टाइम से आई बीन अवॉइडिंग नॉन वेज. वेज में यार उतना ही मतलब आई फील फ्रेश, आई फील हेल्दी. But vada pav is something which is not very healthy. But I kind of I think because of you eating such things that your immune system becomes stronger. ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ ही एकदम ही your immune system is so like a lot of people just बहुत ज्यादा फॉलो करने से भी प्रॉब्लम होती है.
नहीं
थोड़ा भी.
आप इतने यंग भी दिखते हो. आई थिंक दिस इज yesterday डे बिफोर वी स्टार्टेड विद जैकलीन फर्नांडिस, देन yesterday वी हैड गौहर. तो आज मुझे लगा कि चलो if there is a guy who is there
Jacqueline is so sweet, right? She's damn sweet. When I was doing Jhalak Dikhla Ja, she was the judge, but she's more like a friend, like she's just such a buddy, like just to talk to. Yeah.
so
She's very
chill.
chilled out. Yeah, she's
मुझे
very
लगा
chill.
मुझे लगा कि दोनों after both of them today when you come at least I'll get one compliment saying that you look good today. But now that you've come, everyone's complimenting you only. So which is great, which is very
No,
very
but you're
nice.
looking. No wonder people are calling you "Hi, bachcha aa gaya" या "Kiddo aa gaya." If you keep these hairstyles and you clean shave and then you smile like this, then people are going to think सीधा college interview चल रहा है.
तो सर जॉब के लिए मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ?
कुछ नहीं, घर से काम कीजिए. आजकल सब लोग घर से काम कर रहे हैं.
बट आपका हाउ इज योर डे गोइंग? इन द फर्स्ट सेगमेंट इट्स कॉल्ड लाइफ इन द टाइम्स ऑफ कोरोना.
Yeah, so I wake up at 6:30, 6:30 quarter to 7.
जी
मेरे किचन और या अयान के बेडरूम से सनराइज देखता हूँ. And I just stand there for some time. After that, I freshen up and then I make my own breakfast. Because Neha
you
and
make
Ayan,
your own breakfast.
Yes, I'm
मेरे
making my own breakfast. I have somebody to make it, but I like making my own breakfast right now because yeah, I'm just, I mean, something different. I mean, just spend your time wisely, and it makes me feel nice. I think cooking is very therapeutic, and it's quite cool, and I'm doing that. And after that, I switch on.
when I cook, that time people go into therapy. So
Yeah.
that's the difference. But
As long
but
as
no,
you're eating it, nobody cares. You know what I
now,
mean? As long as somebody else is not eating it, it's fine. Like, but I cook pretty decently. I mean,
हाँ.
it's not that bad. And yes, so
और उसके
I've
बाद
been
आपका दिन आप how do you spend your day? The rest of your day, how does it go?
yeah. So I watch some news, then I play with Ayan. I think by now everybody
But
knows I'm spending money. I read a book, or
what are
yeah,
you
just
reading?
some.
What are you reading currently?
This Rakesh Sinha's book Anatomy of Success, and it's quite nice the way it's written. Everything is explained very medically there, and it's really amazing. You must read it.
I
He's no more, but he's the
Right.
man who delivered Ayan into this world. So
How lovely. But
yeah,
by the way,
yeah.
I have to tell you about Ayan. I find him to be the cutest thing on your with everybody on your Instagram profile. I think the one thing that is the cutest, which I think everyone will agree to, is Ayan.
Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree. I think everybody who follows me is because of Ayan only.
I'll tell you the secret reason why we've called you here,
Yeah.
to see Ayan.
Secret reason to see Ayan. Okay, then
No.
I'll have to get up and go. Let me see if I can
That'd
try.
be very sweet, yeah.
The first thing he'll do is like turn his face away once I get
Oh. No, I'm sure.
Say hi.
Hi, Ayan. Oh, it's so cute. Hi, Ayan.
Just say hi.
Hi. जी करता है कि खा
Yeah.
जाओ, बट खा तो नहीं सकता.
मेरा भी यही जी करता है, फिर बाद में लगता है कि मेरा ही बेटा क्या खाऊंगा.
नहीं, बिल्कुल सही है. But he's very cute and I'm glad and thank you for that. I think all of these people, if you see the comments here, everyone's going like, "Ye Ayan."
Yeah, he is like everybody's favorite, and he's quite entertaining. Actually, I'm telling you, usually 5-year-olds don't talk so much, and they are in. But this guy is so entertaining, so entertaining. I can't tell you. Like me and Neha, time just flies with him, which is a good thing. So yes. So yesterday, me and Neha, we all were sitting in my balcony, and
बिल्कुल.
suddenly Neha, I was sitting like towards the sofa, and they both were sitting facing each other. So
Sure.
it was I think 6 in the evening, and he says, "Mama, शाम हो गई है. Play some music, na. We'll all chill."
He said chill. He said
He
we'll all
said chill. He said we'll all chill. And I was like, and me and Neha just looked at each other like, okay, fine. So he does funny things, man.
When I was 5 years old, I'm sure I didn't know what chill was.
Yeah. Seriously, man, even I didn't know.
No, but it's said, no, it's rightly said that the next generation is far smarter than the current one.
Yeah. I don't know what genes, man, but crazy.
What
Crazy.
that's a modest compliment complimenting yourself.
No, seriously. I mean, in the sense, it's been modified.
Sure,
Man. I mean, I don't know what I must have eaten, on what Neha must have eaten at that time, but he's pretty sharp.
No, but on that note, actually, because your journey, and I'm sure he's got the right genes, because your journey has been really inspirational. I've read about you. We met at Ambi, and trust me, you're a phenomenal human being, and your journey is something that I'm pretty sure all your fans already know about. 19 साल की उम्र में आप from there you've taken it all by yourself, and today you are a self-made superstar.
Thank you. I don't know if I'm a superstar, but yes, God's been kind, and I've worked really hard to be where I am, to start from zero with absolutely no money, nothing, no support, nobody in the industry to guide you. I've done my mistakes, and yeah, pulled myself up, and I'm here. And I'm and a lot of people tell me like you're an inspiration to us. Just your journey, like you said, and I just say that there's only one thing I can, advise you all is just don't give up, and there are going to be days when you feel that there is no other option but giving up, but even then don't give up, and
Don't
that's
give
the
up.
only way you can, reach your goal or even be close to your goal. Hi Ayan.
Nice.
Can you see the TV out here? Not right now, let me finish my chat. You can watch the TV outside. How come?
Oh.
It's not coming. Can you
Come, we have to come and say hi here first. Come.
Ah.
Okay, I'll make you meet my first son.
Oh,
Buji,
how
sit down.
sweet.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit.
No, he, what's his name?
Do you want to go like Boozy?
Boozy. Hi, Boozy.
He is calling Ayan to play with him basically, and Ayan has come here. Okay, wait, let me go outside.
Is this?
Yeah, tell me.
No,
tell
I'm
me.
saying no. It's so sweet. You've got you've got the sweetest child, the cutest child, and you've
Yeah.
got a dog, and that is just perfect. The perfect
Yeah.
family man they call you, huh? And now I'm saying अभी पता चल रहा है कि क्यों. But coming to your life and
Yeah.
coming to you as an inspiration, because between the two of us, clearly you are the inspiration. So
So are you've done some fabulous work, yeah, and
I didn't say that so that you say something in return.
no, but I'm just saying. I mean, coming from you, I'm taking that as a compliment.
No, but the second thing is that I want to touch upon is Tumbi Karuna is what it is. But that so many young people today are sitting at home, they're dejected. There is lots of negativity because of the coronavirus. The amount of positivity is infused because of people like you. The young people who are sitting out there, what
Yeah.
would you like to tell them? What should they be doing through the day? Because
I
Netflix
think-
इतना ही कर सकते हैं.
Correct. And what I would like to tell them is, this is the time when you, as as the youth of India, this is the maximum time you'll ever get at a stretch with your family. Number one.
जी.
So I would like to tell you to create memories with your family, which will remain, for a lifetime. Number one. Apart from that, there are going to be tough times ahead. I don't know about, they say there's going to be a lot of jobs which are going to be lost. But we as a country, if we come together, we can fight that, But so learn a new skill, during this time. You can go online, learn something which will help you in the coming future in another 3 months or 4 months. There's an ample time that you have that you can use it wisely rather than
No particular website, not Byju's, not any particular website.
No,
None
I'm
of
not,
them are
I'm
No,
not
nobody's
endorsing.
Nobody's sponsoring this chat. So
No. I'm just saying. No, I'm just saying. On YouTube, there are a lot of. I know you're joking, but you can just simply learn how to play a guitar online. You can read good books, which will be very inspirational. Because it's tough to 21 days at home is not an easy task, and it may extend. You don't know how things are going to shape up in the future. So keeping things positive in the mind, but you got to still spend that time. And you rather spend it happily and with a smile on your face rather than cribbing about it, because I know it's tough, but you got to look at the positive side. This is something that is whether you're living in a bigger house or smaller house, nobody is used to being locked down like this, and what right now the most important thing is become the bare essentials like food
Correct.
and basics, which I think everyone is going to be very different. Like you have AC and BC, like so it's going to be before Corona and after Corona. Life is going to be different. People are going to, I think, learn a lot from this. And yes, and you can, and as long as you're not writing anything negative on your social media, It's
That's
all
fine.
fine. You can cook, you can dance, and I would tell a lot of oh sorry,
So
I would
that
tell
was
a lot.
आप डांस मूव प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो secretly.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
मैं म्यूजिक बजाता
you
हूँ. They
you
would love to
can
see you dance.
yeah, getting jiggy with na na na. I'm dancing on live chats, man. That's crazy. See, this is what you can do in your free time. Yeah, so I think a lot of people live with their parents, and I'm sure they mustn't have. A lot of people mustn't have. A lot of guys out there mustn't have. Had a chance to dance with their parents. So play some nice music, dance with your mom, dance with your dad, and make them feel happy. Get a smile on their face. You can do all of that.
ये मत बोलो. My parents are listening to this, and
Yeah, you
they,
should,
they
and you
live
see,
they live
and
one floor.
that will be a memory for a lifetime. I'm telling you, a lot of people generally we just get up in the morning, we go for work, we come back, we don't get time for a lot of things.
जी बिल्कुल.
So
But
I think
no,
this
I
would be a
will.
nice one.
Now that you said it, now my mother is a very big fan. Like all women are.
I'll dance with her when I meet her. I'll dance with her when I meet her. Yeah.
I think if she's hearing this, she's going to jump with joy. But let me ask you this question.
Yeah.
Tell me one incident in your life
Yeah.
which you've not narrated thus far, which has been somewhat where you've learned a lot from that incident, which all your fans also do not yet know. Something that has
I've
changed
been-
you, transformed you.
Well, I think there's this when my dad passed away, we had a business, okay. So yeah, and I had no clue about the business. I was only 19 years old. So people wanted to take over that business because there was obviously some liabilities, and because my dad suddenly passed away, we didn't know anything about it. So they were like, just sell it off, and they were not even like ready to pay us any amount that we would even survive, that kind of stuff. So and my mom was in tears and I was in tears, and we were like, what has happened to us? Like, where did this come from? Why did this hit us so hard? And I didn't know what decision to make, and me being the elder guy, but only 19, I didn't know what to say to her. And something happened, because I'm a strong believer in God and I'm quite spiritual that way. And something told me, I just one day told her that, whatever happens, I feel that we should not give up and we should not sell that thing to anybody, because that is dad's, let it be shut, but we won't give it to anybody. And what I learned, and we didn't, and everything fell in place, and it was running up, and it was fine. With time, obviously, it took a year, but we didn't give up. And what I learned from that incident, that whenever there's a downfall in your life, there are a lot of people out there who want to take advantage of it. So don't let them take that advantage, because you're vulnerable. You can't let anybody take advantage of you because you're vulnerable, because it's not you who is vulnerable, it's your situation, and situations change. So wait for that situation to change.
This is actually the most inspiring thing I've heard in the last 3 days. I'll be honest, and I'll
Thank
say
you.
that on record.
Thank
And that actually was really touching. And change is the only constant, and hopefully the situation will also
And so
change.
and even the corona situation, it's going to
Correct.
change, but now we have to decide what change will it bring within us, after this is changed. Do we go back to our old lifestyles? Do we behave the same way? Do we still harm the earth the way we used to? Do we still be bothered about materialistic things? Do we be more compassionate? Should we not let anybody in our group, because it's our group of 10 people, and the 11th person, whether he's good or bad, is supposed to be outside because he's the 11th one? Do we do all of these things, or do we just
Or do we dance
like
with our
people?
parents every day?
Yeah, or do we do that?
You're a really positive person, and therefore the last part of what I have to touch base with you is something that's called 21 questions in 21 days of lockdown. But
Okay.
rapid fire, I will ask you. और आप कैंडिडली ऑनेस्टली आंसर कीजिए.
हाँ, मुझे झूठ बोलना तो आता नहीं है, मैं तो जो मुंह में है बोल देता हूँ वैसे. मुंह में नहीं, मतलब मन में. मन में पहले आता है, बाद में मुंह में आता है.
मुंह से जो भी निकलता है वो अच्छा है. देन इट्स एज लॉन्ग एज दैट हैपेंस इट्स गुड.
हाँ, मतलब अभी जब ऑनेस्टली जवाब देने तो आई गिव इट ऑनेस्टली.
Done. So I will not ask you how much you like me. That question I will remove. So the first question.
Let me answer that a lot.
That wasn't a question. But tell me, which is your favorite movie?
Scarface,
Your favorite book?
the one which I'm reading right now.
Ah, how nice. One thing you would want in abundance, unlimited quantity mein.
Love,
First career choice.
acting.
If not an actor, what would you be?
I don't want to think about it also.
What would be the name of your autobiography?
Win the world with a smile.
There's no chance there's one person also who's writing that I've got a nice smile today. Chalo, so the next one, the pizza कोई आपके लिए बना रहा है तो which is your favorite topping?
Cheese. And I like bell pepper.
Last person you texted. Who's the last person today that you texted before this?
Honestly, I don't remember. There are so many WhatsApp chats. I don't know who was the last one right now.
That cricket or football? चलिए.
Football.
Favorite footballer?
Messi.
Netflix or cinema?
Both. बाहर सिनेमा, घर पे नेटफ्लिक्स. या नेटफ्लिक्स पे सिनेमा.
That these days is the best thing. Moving away, I heard you're coming in a film very soon. We're going to see you on the big screen.
Yeah?
That's true. Can you confirm it?
No, I don't know anything as of now. But yes, my web series State of Siege is on Z5. It's Z5.
Z5.
Yeah, State of Siege, and I think you must watch it whenever you get the time to. It's based on the 26/11 attacks. So yeah, you must watch it, and it's the point of view is the NSG, so you must watch it.
So this is perfectly something that fits within my domain of
Yeah, it's on Z5. Please watch it. Please watch it.
I'm going to watch it. I'll text you back how
Yeah.
it is.
Give me your
But
feedback. Yeah.
I will. I know you didn't ask for it, but I will. But the next one is your favorite superhero. आपका favorite superhero कौन है?
मेरा पहले स्पाइडरमैन था. Even Ayan likes Spider-Man, but then I fell in love with Iron Man.
You fell in love with Iron Man.
Yeah, because and Ayan keeps saying I'm Iron Man. So it's quite funny.
So you've got a miniature superhero in your house.
Totally. He's like he's absolutely my he's my Superman, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk, everything.
And does this, and the superhero also has the same genetic superpower, which is the smile?
Yeah, if I there are some pictures which I've put up on my Instagram of me when I was younger as well as Ayan, and Ayan now. It's like those pictures are identical. Like you won't be able to differentiate who's Ayan and who's Arjun.
This brings me to my next question, which is describe Ayan in 3 words.
Hi. 3 words are too less, yaar. But he's happy. He's a God's child, and he's very naughty, very naughty, and unbelievably naughty.
Is this the last trait is also passed on genetically?
That comes first. Actually, I mentioned it last.
My last 2 questions. Your favorite co-star, male and female?
Favorite co-star male, yaar. I hate these favorite वाली questions है. They are very
उसके लिए मैंने पूछा आपको और लास्ट में पूछा.
हाँ. Favorite co-star male.
Everyone is watching, huh? The whole television industry is watching.
There are many. I mean, I've worked with so many people now. But
Now your answer changed.
No, I can't really pick one. Honestly, I really can't be. I don't know. I've never had. You ask me about females, I'll tell you. Yeah.
So
What's your
चलिए,
favorite?
you are asking तो मैं पूछता ही हूँ ना, सामने से आप पूछ रहे हो तो why not? Who's your favorite co-star female?
Yeah, can you hear me?
आपने purposely Wi-Fi
Yeah.
network थोड़ा हटा दिया. आपने
अरे नहीं
purposely
यार, मैं
Wi-Fi
बार-बार
internet
Wi-Fi
थोड़ा
में आ
कम
रहा हूँ. मैं दो चीजों से घिरा रहता हूँ, वाईफाई और वाईफी.
So then this answer has to be very carefully thought of. Who is your
But I'll tell you. Recently, what I've shot, I think Arjun has been a very. I really enjoyed working with Arjun Bajwa, and in State of
Right.
Siege only, and it was a lot of fun. We bonded also, and he's a nice guy, and I enjoyed working with him because most of my scenes, our scenes were together, so it was a lot of fun.
Brilliant. This is basically State of Siege. is something
Mohit
that's worth-
is there. Mohit Sehgal in Mile Jab Hum Tum. We were together. So yeah, he's also one of my very old friends and one of my favorite male co-stars. Yeah.
one of your favorite male co-stars. You are fit to join politics. Now,
Thank you. आम्हाला वोट द्या. आम्ही तुमचे आभारी आहेत.
नहीं अभी मराठी में मैं बोलूंगा तो बस that'll be the end of this conversation. But let me, with your permission, open this up to a few questions from the audience.
Okay, perfect.
Done.
Let's do that.
Done. So, let me. Most of them say, "Hi Arjun, I love you," which is why I have had to scroll down. Your favorite singer?
Favorite singer, I like Neha Kakkar, but Shreya Ghoshal is my all-time favorite. Like, she's just too amazing.
When she sings, I think time stops.
She's amazing.
Connecting to Arjun. Arjun,
Hey. मैं कहाँ भग गया, तू भग गया भाई. हाँ? ऐसे क्यों भग गए भाई?
आपकी हिंदी तो मेरे से बेहतर होनी है.
हाँ. शुक्रिया.
आप मुझे बताइए, who's the actress that you would like to work with again? And this is a question from your Arab fans.
I would like to work with Nia again, Moni again. I would like to work with Sarah Advani. I think she's very, very hot, very, very sweet looking at the same time. And I think she's fab.
Yeah, no, she is. She is one of the. She's one of the most vivacious and fun actresses I think that is there in Bollywood.
Well, I've never interacted with her as of now, but I would love to work with her. I think the Sindhis will do some magic.
Yeah, no, both of you would look really good on screen. And this brings me to this very interesting question. Was 2611 your best series according to you? आपने तो बहुत सारी सीरीज में काम किया. Is this your best?
I've done a lot of shows, but this was my first web series. So yes, this was my first one, and yes, it is one of. This is something that I'll be proud of all my life, even if I do 10 more web series. But I'll be always happy about the fact that I was a part of this show because the subject is such, and I played. Major Sandeep Unikrishnan's G's role, and it was a lot of responsibility, and I'm glad that it's got great reviews and people are watching it, and people have been messaging me about it, that they've liked my performance. People have also messaged that the story, the way it's conveyed to the audience, it's beautiful, and it kind of takes them back in time, which
the
is
to what really happened.
to what actually happened, which was the idea, and we wanted the untold stories to be told. It's based on Sandeep Unithan's book and Black Tornado, and I think for an actor, when your work's appreciated, when the show is as a show it's doing well, you cannot ask for anything else, and it's all because of the people who watch it. So I just want to thank them. It was my first, and I'm glad it went the way it's going.
No, and I'm glad that you've done something like this, which is which seems already like a very inspirational web series. And let me ask you this second last question from the audience: your favorite movie. So all of you who have a question for Arjun, please start asking that question real fast. This is the second last question. Your favorite movie? कौन सा है आपका?
I like Chalte Chalte and Andaz Apna Apna.
And Chalte Chalte for a specific reason? Can I?
I think it was very romantic.
As much. I was
Yeah.
like, आपका इसमें we've covered everything from
और वो
family
थोड़ा
man.
वो जो possessiveness है ना, थोड़ा even I am a Scorpion, so even I am a little like that, a little possessive. So I like that movie.
नहीं, मैं वही सोच रहा था कि we've covered the family man, we've covered the dancer, we've covered your Hindi, but how did we miss on the romance?
Yes, romance is something, it comes from here, at least for me. And there are so many things that I do, impromptu, even when I'm working with my, whenever I've done shows, I have to always go up to my actresses. There's a script that we get, then I have to go up to them. Can we do this? I think this will look really nice. Can we do this? I think this will look. They'll be like, where do you get these ideas from, man? So like I live it.
तो कभी आपने at some given point in time, have you been the Shah Rukh Khan and extended your arms on set and done a small bit of role playing like him?
Oh yes, I think we all have done that. I mean, all actors must have done that for sure. Yeah, you have to. I mean, romance, and if you don't talk about SRK sir, so it's like not fair. So I think he has taught people how to romance, and a lot of the dream. मेरा राज आएगा सफेद घोड़े पे. He's done that. भागते भागते आएगा, and दौड़ते दौड़ते आएगा, उड़ के आएगा, कहीं से तो आएगा. And yeah, so yes, I have done.
You've done that. And this is the last question. Your favorite band in Hollywood?
Boyzone.
Very nice.
And I like that song Words. Smile, an everlasting smile. A smile can bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find you gone, 'cause that would bring a tear to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. So yes, we need to start a brand new story with lots of love, compassion, happiness, and no negativity.
I was trying to lip sing because if you would have heard me sing, you would have disconnected on purpose. So I lip sung the song despite the lines. But
Yes. And do you sing, Rishabh? Do you sing? No.
I can't do what you guys do. Yeah, you guys, you sing, you dance, and you do all of that on
No,
stage.
I just do whatever I do. Dil se. I can't sing. I'm not a singer. I just sing. I'm not bothering whether it's nice or. It's good to do these things. You should not sing because I'm not a singer, but you should sing because you want to sing.
You love.
You should dance with your parents because you want to dance with your parents.
वो आज तो आप वो करवा के ही रहोगे.
आज ऋषभ नाचेगा.
But the country is just like your show. It's in a state of siege, and much of the world is. But
Yeah.
the good part about this is, just like your autobiography, you can win everyone over with a smile. And I think it's it is a good note to let you go back to Ayan and that very cute dog that you have, whose name is also equally cute, Boozy.
He's not that boozy, huh?
मैं सोच रहा था बूजी, आपने बूजी क्यों रखा नाम? चलो
मैंने नहीं रखा यार, नेहा ने रखा, क्योंकि नेहा had a female dog who she lost when she was young, and she told me about that incident. So I just one day surprised her with Boozy, and I said, "This is Boozy for you."
अभी आप सबको रुलाएंगे. But it was nice talking to the perfect family man. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. And
ये क्या tag मिला है ना मुझे, perfect from I was supposed to be this one naughty guy in life, man, who's to like, who parties and has fun, and now suddenly this family man tag. Oh wow, but I don't mind it. I think I balance everything. I'm I can fall in any category. I can be the
you can be the cool biker and you can also be the perfect family man.
yeah, I can be both actually.
It was nice talking to the person who's always smiling. And जैसे मैंने
Thank you.
बताया, with these smiles, hopefully the state of siege will be something that we'll be able to overcome. So thank you so much, Arjun, समय बिताने के लिए. And
Thank you, and I just want to thank all the people who were there on our chat. Let me just take a few names before we go, so that nobody feels bad. Okay. Mushtaq, winning with a smile, a good takeaway from today's chat. Thank you, Mushtaq. Let me take a few names. Muntaha, Bijlani, Eku, Papa 26, Yukti, your son is very cute. Thank you. And Arjun ki Diwani. Hi. Okay. And Nimma, Monica. Any more? Let me. There's so many. It's me, Drishti, Vansh, Taiba. Okay, fine. I've taken quite a few names now. I won't disappoint. Whoever's disappointed, I'm sorry. But I'm going to keep chatting. I'm going to keep coming on live chats. So
and
maybe.
we'll hopefully see you very soon at an Iman conference or sometime very soon.
Hope so.
And I come to meet Ayan even otherwise.
Yeah, please do. Please come. You're most welcome. I'll cook some nice dinner for you.
Done. And this time nobody will have to run away from the dinner table. So